Do you have a passion and talent for music? Are you disciplined? Do you enjoy performing in front of people? Then a career as an instrumental musician might strike a chord. Instrumental musicians play musical instruments. They perform as soloists or with orchestras, small ensembles, or popular bands before live audiences in recording studios or in workshop situations. They may perform regularly with one band or orchestra, or appear only for shorter sessions with others. We listened to an instrumental musician working in Alberta to get into the rhythm of this interesting career.
Hi, my name's Clayton and I'm an instrumental musician. As an instrumental musician, we often specialize in one instrument and perform for other people. I grew up in a family of musicians, so we played together regularly, and then it sort of turned into something that I wanted to pursue on my own. A day as a symphony musician, typically I practice a lot. Spend a lot of time preparing for the gig or the concert and put a lot of thought into how we prepare. I generally go to rehearsal. I have a couple rehearsals a day. I teach. As a teacher, I schedule students and prepare them for lessons and festivals and various events. Being in the entertainment business, we often rehearse through the day, and we will have our performances in the evenings, often on the weekends. We perform for fundraisers and corporate events, for the opera, for the ballet, or maybe musical theater or cabarets. An instrumental musician might also play for weddings, on cruises, at nightclubs. You could also work for TV, music videos, commercials, and video games. In popular music, you might become a touring artist, a soloist. You also could be a sessional musician. We often collaborate with a variety of different groups. You might work with promoters, booking agents, producers. A lot of time spent as a musician would be alone preparing your parts before you rehearse with other people. And in rehearsal, yes, you have to be calm and patient and be willing to have an open mind to other suggestions. It depends on the kind of performance and the amount of notes that I have to play, but it can be stressful or it can be also very exciting to perform for other people regardless of the challenges of the program. Skills for an instrumental musician would be having a lot of patience to take time learning things and the willingness to collaborate with others. Some other skills include being flexible, performing in front of other people, and being disciplined. Physical requirements would include sitting for extended periods of time or standing, and depending on the instrument you have, you may have to hold it up for a few hours, and that would include carrying around your instrument. To be an instrumental musician, there are no educational requirements, but I have 2 degrees in music that I have found beneficial in my musical career.
Just a little bit of pressure. Yeah.
Formal education exists at conservatories or music schools. As a musician, you could advance in your career by leading a section, being a conductor. Another part of growing in your career would be learning new music, taking on solo opportunities as they arise, and collaborating with more people. One of my favorite things about going to work is actually the social aspect. You're making music with your family, essentially. If you have the desire of becoming a musician, it's a great way to meet people, spend time with other people, and share your music with others.
The key to being a successful instrumental musician is to be confident, determined, and be able to accept criticism. A drive to practice regularly and the ability to learn and perform new music pieces quickly is also important. Add in good business and money management skills, dependability and flexibility, and a career as an instrumental musician may be music to your ears. Take note of the details and find out more about this occupation, including training requirements and salary ranges in the occupational profile on the ALICE website. While you're there, check out some related occupations, including composer, singer, or orchestrator-arranger. Explore the possibilities. Go to alice.alberta.ca.